Oh, no, I've got the ball, I've got the ball. Oh, and here we go, and we're off. Look at this team go, look at this young man. And he passes it out. This is Kathy. Kathy, you're one of only 2 Welsh people in the Bangor side.
Yes, we are.
Where are the other Welsh girls?
I don't know, actually. We're trying to get some more in the team, but they don't seem to have arrived yet.
Where did you come from originally?
I come from Carmarthenshire.
Now, what's women's rugby like in Carmarthen? Is there a lot of it there?
It's growing. It's a growing sport all the time, I think, women's rugby now. And I'm planning on playing when I go back home anyway.
Really?
So definitely.
It's a
yes.
university thing mainly, is it?
Not really. I think probably the local teams got there first, you know, and the universities have picked up on it really.
Ooh! Now, yeah, see this. This is Claire. Claire, you're the captain.
That's right.
Is it a lot of competition for your position? Careful, you don't fall over there. There's a lot of competition. Does everybody want to be the captain? Oust you.
Well, I don't know whether they want the responsibility. It's a lot of responsibility, these
Really?
girls. Oh, yes. We have to keep them in order, you know.
Now, when did you set up the side?
About 2 or 3 years ago. I think we just thought, let's have a go at it.
Yeah.
So,
And how did that, because I can imagine your typical Welshman's response to be, women playing rugby? A lot of nonsense.
well, I think we've proved them wrong, haven't we?
Yeah,
though?
definitely.
So, initially they were a bit shocked,
Yeah.
but they've seen us in action and I think they've been suitably impressed.
Yes, and I've seen them in action too, and I was suitably impressed. Now, what about the actual game itself? Because you're not going to be playing with the sort of brute force of a Ray Gravel, are you?
Well,
You wouldn't want to.
No. Well, you've got the aggression there, but
Definitely.
it's a little more technical, we like to think. Yeah.
A little more intelligent is the phrase that springs to mind, isn't
We
it?
think of brains rather than brawn, actually.
Really? But you can be aggressive if called upon.
Absolutely.
Just take a look at the aggressive looks in some of these faces. It's quite frightening, isn't it, really? Now, it is a burgeoning sport. I believe that's a phrase that I could use. Tell me about the World Cup that's coming up.
Well, in April there's going to be the first Women's Rugby World Cup, which is being held in Cardiff.
Yeah.
We've got over 10 teams participating, England, Wales, obviously, Holland, France. I think they were hoping to get Russia and Japan, whether that's happening or not. I'm not
So
sure.
are any of you girls in the Wales team?
Not yet.
Not yet.
We will be
Next
supporting.
year.
We'll be waving a flag.
Well, you
for
know,
Wales.
I have got friends on the committee, so if you did want to get in, you could just let me know.